Bruce has a great technique to create realistic looking siding on the village houses.
Okay, so we have our ruler technique here. Yardstick, what you do is you take your finger, your index finger, and kind of lock it in. That way it can't go any further. You take your marker right at the end of your yardstick and just run it right down, and you will always get a straight line.
After tracing the lines, cut grooves out with the hot knife.
I'm using this V-groove cutting tool. Now, if you don't have one, you don't have to have one. You can use a knife, or you can use a razor knife. This is just a lot easier and a lot simpler to use. So what I'm doing is I have my yardstick down. I'm butting right up to my yardstick so I keep a straight line.
Now that's wacky!